Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
The night sky over Washington, D.C. was clear on January 29, 2025, a normal Tuesday evening. Then, tragedy struck. An American Airlines passenger jet, fully lit and cruising on a standard flight path, collided with a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter. The impact occurred directly above the Potomac River. The horrifying scene unfolded before countless witnesses. It became a scramble for answers. Both aircraft, according to initial reports, were following standard procedures. They were in constant contact with air traffic control. Why then did this unthinkable collision occur? The crash claimed the lives of everyone on board both aircraft. Initial reports confirm at least 19 fatalities. Among the passengers were members of the U.S. figure skating team and their coaches. They were en route to a competition in Salt Lake City. Their dreams were shattered in an instant. First responders, over 300 strong, rushed to the crash site. The recovery effort was complex and heartbreaking. The wreckage scattered across the river painted a grim picture. The nation mourned. Families grappled with unimaginable loss. This was a tragedy that defied explanation. The crash sent shockwaves through the nation. It also caught the attention of former President Donald Trump. Never one to shy away from controversy, Trump weighed in on the tragedy. He expressed his condolences. However, he also voiced deep concerns about the circumstances surrounding the crash.
How could this happen? Clear night, lights blazing, Army chopper takes out a packed jet? Something's fishy, we need answers. This stinks of a cover-up.
Trump, in a statement released on his Truth Social platform, questioned how such a collision could happen in clear conditions. He pointed to the jet's lights, clearly visible in the night sky. He hinted at the possibility of negligence by air traffic control. He even suggested that foul play could not be ruled out. His comments, as always, ignited a firestorm. Some praised his willingness to ask tough questions. Others condemned his speculation as insensitive and premature. Trump, it seemed, had stumbled upon a tragedy already steeped in questions. The internet, never a stranger to speculation, exploded with theories about the crash. Conspiracy theories spread like wildfire. Some alleged that the collision was no accident. They pointed to the rarity of military helicopters colliding with civilian aircraft. They claimed the helicopter must have intentionally chased the jet. This was no accident. Think about it. A military chopper just happens to collide with a civilian jet? They were chasing it, I tell you. This has all the hallmarks of a cover-up. Online forums buzzed with comparisons to past events shrouded in mystery. Some even went so far as to suggest an assassination attempt. The fact that the passenger manifest included prominent athletes only fueled these theories. Social media became a breeding ground for speculation and conjecture. The lack of clear answers in the immediate aftermath of the crash created a vacuum. Conspiracy theories rushed in to fill the void. These theories, while lacking evidence, preyed on the public's fear and uncertainty. They spread misinformation and distrust. While conspiracy theories ran rampant online, official investigations began. The Army and the Department of Defense launched inquiries. Investigators sought to understand the disaster. They pored over data and eyewitness accounts. The NTSB also launched an investigation. They promised a thorough examination. We owe it to the victims and their families. The nation waited for answers. The public demanded to know how this could have happened. Only time and a thorough investigation would tell. The search for answers continues.